Have you ever considered the magnitude of your potential and how your mindset influences it? Imagine a seed lying dormant in the palm of your hand. It's small, unassuming, and yet, within it lies the potential to sprout into a towering oak tree. That seed is you. And just like that seed, you hold within you immense potential, waiting to be realized and harnessed. We often underestimate ourselves. It's like looking at that seed and saying, "No way this tiny thing could ever be a mighty oak." But just as the seed transforms into a tree, so can you blossom into the best version of yourself. The crucial aspect is acknowledging the potential within yourself and giving it the right conditions to thrive. A significant factor that influences this process is your mindset. It's the soil in which your potential grows. If it's fertile and nurturing, your potential can sprout and grow. If it's barren and negative, your potential might never see the light of day. Your beliefs about your abilities and potential shape your future greatness. Therefore, it's crucial to cultivate a mindset that comprehends the vast possibilities within your grasp. Think about it. Every business idea that crosses your mind, every opportunity that presents itself, they all carry the potential to transform into something meaningful. But if you approach these with doubt, if you undermine your abilities, you'll miss out on these opportunities. Instead, affirm your capability, embrace new challenges with confidence, and seek solutions to overcome obstacles. Be mindful of the thoughts you nourish about your life, career, health, and family. Each thought is a brick, building the house of your future. Make sure they're strong, positive, and geared towards growth. Remember, progress requires effort. It's not about avoiding the unfamiliar, but about stepping into it with courage, knowing that each stumble is an opportunity to grow. Strive for improvement daily and watch as new ideas emerge, transforming you into the best version of yourself. You are capable of more than you can imagine. It's time to recognize this truth and let it inspire you to greater heights. Consider the story of John, a man who embraced every business idea that crossed his path. John wasn't an average entrepreneur. He was a visionary, a dreamer, and most importantly, a doer. He saw potential in every idea, no matter how unconventional or outlandish it seemed. Every morning, John would wake up filled with curiosity and a hunger to create. He didn't see ideas as mere thoughts. He saw them as seeds waiting to be planted and nurtured. He understood that every idea had the potential to sprout into something grand, given the right environment and dedication. John didn't shy away from challenges either. He was well aware that not every idea would bear fruit immediately. He knew that some ideas would need more nurturing than others, and some might even fail. But he didn't let that deter him. Instead, he saw it as part of the journey, an integral part of the process of creation. Over the years, John's open-mindedness led him to multiple successes. From an innovative tech startup to a sustainable farming initiative, his ventures were varied and plentiful. But more than the businesses he built, it was his mindset that truly set him apart. John didn't just believe in his ideas, he believed in himself. He knew his potential was vast and that he was capable of turning his wildest dreams into reality. John's positive mindset was infectious. It attracted like-minded individuals, investors who believed in his vision, and a team that shared his passion for innovation. His belief in himself and his ideas created a ripple effect, inspiring others to do the same. John's story is a testament to the power of embracing every idea and opportunity that comes your way. His success is a result of his mindset and his unwavering belief in his potential. He serves as a reminder that no idea is too small or too unconventional if you have the courage to pursue it and the mindset to see it through. Remember, your potential is immense, and your destiny is within your grasp. Cultivating the right mindset is a crucial step in achieving greatness. This principle is as true as the rising sun, and it's a truth that we often overlook. Our mindset, the thoughts and beliefs that we hold about ourselves and our capacity, is the bedrock of our actions, our decisions, and ultimately, our success. A positive and resilient mindset is like a powerful engine that propels us forward, helping us overcome obstacles and seize opportunities. It's what pushes us to embrace every business idea that crosses our minds, to recognize our potential and strive to turn it into something meaningful. It's what tells us that our destiny is immense, even when we're inclined to underestimate ourselves. So how can we cultivate this mindset? The first step is understanding that mindset is not a fixed entity. It's not a trait we're born with, but rather something we can enhance and improve. It's a garden that requires constant attention and nurturing, and like any garden, it's what we plant and how we tend to it that determines what will grow. Plant seeds of confidence, resilience, and optimism. Nurture them with positive affirmations, self-belief, and a desire to learn and grow. Discard the weeds of self-doubt and fear that can choke your potential. Remember, every stumble is not a fall, but an opportunity to learn, to grow. Seek solutions instead of avoiding the unfamiliar. Be proactive, not reactive. Embrace challenges with confidence, understanding that they're stepping stones on your path to success. Mindfulness is key. Be mindful of the thoughts you nourish about your life, your career, your health, and your family. Remember that your beliefs about your capacity and potential shape your future greatness. Invest in enhancing your mindset, your skills, and your attitude. Recognize the opportunities others may overlook. Strive for improvement daily and watch as new ideas emerge, transforming you into the best version of yourself. Your mindset shapes your reality. Make sure it is one that propels you towards success. Please always remember that every idea you encounter this year is a seed of opportunity, ready to be nurtured into something meaningful. Don't underestimate your abilities, but instead, expand your horizons and take on new challenges with unwavering confidence. John's success story shared is a testament to the transformative power of the right mindset. He didn't shy away from the unfamiliar but sought solutions, turned obstacles into opportunities, and crafted his destiny. The thoughts you nourish about your life, career, health, and family are the architects of your future greatness. Strive for improvement daily. Discard the what-ifs that hinder your progress. Your potential is vast, your mindset powerful. Embrace every idea, every opportunity, and watch as you transform into the best version of yourself. If you find this video to be helpful, then please support me by subscribing and sharing. This will mean a lot to me. Thanks, and have a fruitful day.